Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And welcome to iPhone season, everybody. I have Apple's new lineup of leather cases for the iPhone 13. So let's talk about these cases. Let's give a good close look at them, and then I'll walk you through each of the new color options. I'm also going to talk about what fits and what doesn't fit on the new devices. First, let's talk about sizes of the new cases. So with the iPhone 12 line, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro were the same size. A case for the iPhone 12 would fit the 12 Pro, and a case for the 12 Pro would fit the iPhone 12. But with the iPhone 13, that's not the case. As you can tell here from these dummy units, there's a big difference in the camera bumps on these two phones. So what that means is cases for the iPhone 13 will not fit the iPhone 13 Pro. And cases for the iPhone 13 Pro will fit the iPhone 13, but there's going to be a big gap around where that camera bump is because the camera bump is so much smaller. For reference, here is my iPhone 13 dummy unit with an iPhone 13 Pro case. You can see it fits, but there's just that big cutout around the camera. So what I'm saying here is if you have an iPhone 13 or 13 Pro, make sure you buy the correct case because they're not necessarily going to be compatible with one another. So here is Apple's leather case. So it has a very soft leather on the outside, has a rigid plastic interior. You can see we have a raised camera bump there, so that way when your phone is face down, it'll protect your lenses. We have metal button accents on the outside, which are one of my favorite touches of Apple's cases. They're these anodized aluminum buttons that overlay. They're very tactile when you actually press them on the phone, and they just look really nice, just another little premium element. We have a depressed Apple logo there on the back, and on the inside we have a microfiber lining. This ring here, that means these are compatible with MagSafe, so any MagSafe accessories you may have around, whether that is Apple's new Find My enabled MagSafe wallet or a battery pack, anything like that. But yes, that's the general design of Apple's new leather cases. This color here is called golden brown. If we put it on our phones, I have a dummy unit of the iPhone 13 Pro here. We can pop that on. You can see how it looks with the cameras in there, with the phone itself. This is just a dummy unit again, but we will have the full phones once they're fully released. But you can kind of see how it's going to work with those camera bumps. It fits in very nicely. Overall, very nice cases. I've always loved Apple's leather cases. So this is golden brown. We have a few other colors too to check out. So golden brown, this here is dark cherry. It's kind of like this purplish color that's going on. Purplish dark cherry. This lighter color is called Wisteria. Wisteria is this one here. Then we have Sequoia Green. Sequoia Green, it does kind of look a little bit black there, but it does match Apple's new leather link band here. So Apple's new Sequoia Green case. And finally, Midnight. So you can see the difference there between the Sequoia Green and Midnight, which is essentially a black case, but this is Apple's black Midnight case for the iPhone 13 Pro. So there you have it. These are the new leather cases with MagSafe for the iPhone 13 Pro. All of these colors are available for other models of the iPhone, so whether you have a 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, Apple does have the leather cases available. Let me know what you guys think, what your favorite color is. Honestly, I kind of wish there was like a cool blue color instead of this lighter wisteria. But, you know, I'm going to be happy with these either way. Let me know your preference over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. We'll have hands-on footage of the new iPhone 13s as soon as they're released.